These are gymnastic rings or rings. I love them.
FiestaEnglish.com.
So gymnastic rings are my favorite. They're my favorite piece of exercise equipment. This is exercise equipment. A pull-up bar is exercise equipment. A dumbbell or a barbell is exercise equipment. And rings. Rings are exercise equipment. But they're my favorite. They're my favorite piece of exercise equipment. If it's your favorite, that means you love it the most. Rings are up here, dumbbells are down here. I love rings. They're my favorite. You can do anything on the rings. You can do anything. You can pull up. You can do an underhand grip, pull up, or you can do overhand grip. So not underhand grip, but overhand grip. Overhand grip pull-ups, underhand grip pull-ups. You can do anything. You can be on top of the rings, on top of the rings, on top of the rings, or you can be below. On top, below. On top of the rings, you can do dips. On the rings, you can do anything. Watch this. It's called skin the cat. Skin the cat. This is skin the cat. I'm skinning the cat. I was skinning the cat. Weird, right? But on the rings, you can do anything. If you want to, you can even sleep on the rings. You can even sleep on the rings. You can even talk. You can talk while you're on the rings. So let me talk to you. Thank you so much for watching English Fiesta videos. Keep getting more comprehensible input and your English will improve. Like this video and subscribe because English Fiesta is the best. We have the best comprehensible input and we're the strongest. No, just kidding. But I wonder who is the strongest? Who is the strongest English comprehensible input creator? Oh well, me, I love the rings. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.